Hey everybody, welcome back. Today is the day. Today we're headed back to Indiana. We're finally getting our home back. Today is December 19th. As you all know, we dropped it off September 16th. It's finally finished. We got to drop one of my sister-in-laws off in Pittsburgh. We're leaving West Virginia, going to Pittsburgh, drop her off at the airport. And then we're making our way to Indiana, and we pick it up tomorrow, Friday, December 20th. We're going to bring you guys along, show you the process, look over the rig, and get ready to hit the road. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, I'm not sure what happened to the audio here, but we just finished hooking up the RV to the truck. We did our walk around with the service department after the repairs. I didn't record any of that. I wanted to make sure we were paying attention to what they were saying and making sure all the repairs were complete. And yep, we're getting ready to hit the road right here. Like I said, this was Friday, December 20th. If you guys were in Indiana at this time, you'll know there was snow on the ground. And I made a comment as I was showing this, that this is a merit badge that I did not want to get. But here we are. We made it back. You'll see in just a minute. So stay tuned. Alright everybody. It's been a couple days, but we made it home, our temporary home, as I've said before. Now comes the process of putting it back together. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So there she is. Getting stuff put back in it, putting it back together the way we had it. Empty storage. This is all our stuff. We gotta get back in there. All the things. So that's going to put a wrap on this video. I think next week after Christmas is when we'll be hitting the road. I'm uploading this video probably this evening, tonight. It's Monday the 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. And yep, so we'll get it uploaded, get it out to you guys, and then the next video will be of us on the road. So we're a happy family. We got our home back. So stay tuned for new episodes back in our travel routine. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop us a comment. I answer all the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.